For painting the lips, I'm using a number 4 paintbrush, a glazing medium, and acrylic paints. Using a magic eraser, I got most of the factory paint off of the lips. I use a tiny bit of brown and coral color with a lot of the medium. This makes sure it goes on nice and smooth and not too dark. With a very steady, slow hand, I paint the lips. It takes a lot of practice, and sometimes I had to wipe it all off and start over again. Then for the blush, I'm using Coral Rose stencil paint that I sell in my eBay shop. First, I take off the outer layer, and then I get a little bit on the rag, put it on the cheek, and then I rub it in with the clean part of the rag. The key is to really fan it out and blend it. For the shading on the nose, I use dark chocolate stencil paint. Again, I take the top layer off and then get a little bit on a Q-tip. I carefully put it on each side of the nose, and then I use the other side of the Q-tip to rub it in. For the freckles, again, I'm using dark chocolate stencil paint and a 3/0 paintbrush. Get a little bit of paint on the paintbrush and then carefully dot it onto the cheeks and nose. When using stencil paint, there's no need to use Mr. Super Clear to seal it because it's already permanent once it dries. It usually takes about a day to completely dry. If you mess up, you can always just wipe it off and start again. I have the Coral Rose, dark chocolate, and other colors available in my eBay shop at CPK Diana. I use my finger to gently blot the paint, being careful not to smudge it.